afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So please go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the Accent Prime by Alma Lasers, which is a technology that combines ultrasound and radio frequency. We're going to concentrate now on the ultrasound part of this technology, okay? And also, in the end, I will show you how to combine it with the hands-free radio frequency just to get some extra effect. So we select this handpiece, and then we select the area on the face. In this case, it will be the submental area. And then we have to actually select the energy naturally. We will not go very, very high, and the time. The energy will be, the setting will be 3, and then we will have 6 minutes treatment, but mostly we treat in the clinic around 10 minutes for the submental area. So what we take is Vaseline. As you know, for ultrasound, you need very good contact with the skin. It's very, very important to always be in contact as to have the energy evenly distributed to the tissue. So I've just put some Vaseline, and then it's ready, the device is ready. I'm pushing on the leg, and then we can actually go on and do very, very gently to move in the area. And I think that it's already getting warmer, right? It's already a little bit warm. Not to overheat naturally, but actually to get this mechanical effect on fat cells. So that's very important. We're only 39 degrees, and as you know, we can easily tolerate about up to 44, 45. So that's a really, really good thing to do. How do you feel? Good. It's a really nice handpiece. It has 88 millimeters, so 8.8 centimeters of diameter. And then again, you add the Vaseline. As we said, we also talked about it in one of our sessions before. It's really, you need always to check for the good contact, and you really need the Vaseline to help you with that, so that the ultrasound energy is transmitted evenly. We'll start. I have to push.
Yeah, we started at a baseline temperature of 35, and we expect it to elevate to 40, 42 within a few minutes.
So, yeah, when the Vaseline is heated a little bit, it goes much smoother, and actually it's an in-motion treatment, which is also nice because you never overheat one area. You know, you can cover any area, abdomen, flanks, thighs, you know. And also another point to make, that because this technology actually works on the membranes of fat cells, but also it breaks down the septa of the subcutaneous fat tissue, what we are seeing is actually a dual effect of both circumference reduction, but also the tightening of the subcutaneous fat tissue, which is very nice, as we all need a little bit of tightening. So even the thin people, more full people, all of us actually with time need some tissue tightening to preserve. So we go on to the other part. The other, actually, the last part that we would like to present in this technology is actually the unipolar RF accentuate handpieces, which are hands-free in this technology. And actually, after finishing the 20 minutes treatment, mainly for the abdomen or buttocks with the ultrasound technology, you can actually get a little bit more heating effect by using unipolar radio frequency technology. And these are the handpieces. Actually, the RF is transmitted through these handpieces, and also here we have a temperature control inside the handpieces. You have temperature, and we will show you now when it is applied how this is controlled in the system on the screen. So the RF is coming out from all these holes actually, and there is a temperature meter inside, so we're all the time in control as not to overheat the skin.
Another thing I would like to show is that usually we have an emergency switch for the patient. So if the patient for some reason feels that it's too hot, he can press that, and Dr. Werner can maybe press the pedal, and the audience can see that immediately it pauses for 10 seconds, okay, and drops the watt, the power, from 170, which was at that time, to 100, and then continues on its own. So we have a 10-second delay that enables the patient to go back to a safer mode or a less hot mode, and then continue from a milder point of power settings. And then it takes around 5 minutes to heat up to get to the maximum temperature in which we've established, and the user doesn't really have to do anything. So we can leave the room and let the patient control the procedure with this emergency switch.
And how many sessions in the meantime?
Well, mostly we do 4 sessions for the body every 2 weeks to get an effect, and it takes a while, until you see the results. Mostly due to the apoptosis, it takes 2 to 3 months to really see the full tissue effect.